Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, GST collections continue to rise. GST collection by the government has crossed the rupees 1 lakh crore mark for the 6th consecutive month. I've put the table: October 2020 1.05 lakh crores, November 2020 1.04 lakh crores, December 2020 1.15 lakh crores, January 21 1.19 lakh crores, February 21 1.13 lakh crores, March 2021 highest ever 1.23 lakh crores. So every month GST collection is crossing 1 lakh mark. It's a sign of the businesses improving and they are collecting more GST and paying it to the government. News number 2, Reliance Industries extends deadline for buyout of Future Retail. Reliance Retail had agreed to buy Future Retail by 31st March for Rs 25,000 crores. However, since there is a delay in getting approval due to court proceedings with Amazon, Reliance has extended the deadline to purchase Future Retail till 30th September 2021. The deal can be completed after the Supreme Court order is received. Amazon holds 49% of the Future Group holding company and are opposing this deal with Reliance. News number 3, car sales double in March 2021 compared to 2020. Car sales have doubled in March 2021 compared to last year. I have put the table which company has sold how many units, but car sales have been doing well last few months because many people are preferring their own vehicle rather than public transport due to COVID. News number 4, Janna Small Finance Bank files papers with SEBI for IPO. Janna Small Finance Bank has filed documents with SEBI for IPO. Likely IPO size is Rs 700 crores. It is hoping to come out with the IPO as soon as possible. News 5, SBI customers face problems with online transactions. Yesterday, SBI customers faced issue with their online transactions due to some technical issues. A similar problem was faced by SBI customers in December 2020 also. There was a scheduled system maintenance yesterday, but the issue faced by the customers was much before the maintenance time. Similarly, a few days back, HDFC Bank customers also had a similar problem with their online banking transactions. News number 6, exports in March 2021 highest ever. India's exports in March 2021 was the highest ever for a single month. Compared to March 2020, exports grew by 58% to Rs 2.48 lakh crores. The exports of engineering goods, jewelry, and pharmaceutical products helped reach the record level of exports. News number 7, this week's stock market update. This week there were only 3 working days because of 2 holidays on Monday and today Friday. Nifty still went up by 360 points to close at 14,867, 2.48% higher. Sensex went up by 1,022 points and closed at 50,030, 2.09% higher. I've put the table where it shows what was the previous close as on last week Friday, what is the close today, what was the highest during the week, what is the lowest during the week, and what rate it opened this week. So this was today's breaking news. If this video was useful, please type useful in the comment section. If this video was good, please press the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.